everyone, welcome back to day 13 of our 30 days of CCNA configuration series. In today's lab, we will learn about BGP, which stands for Border Gateway Protocol. BGP is the routing protocol used on the internet to exchange routing information between different autonomous systems. We will configure a simple eBGP connection between two routers and verify route exchange. Let's build the topology. I will take two routers, local area network, okay, this, or you want to add something like laptop also. Okay, our goal is to establish eBGP network, eBGP neighbor relationship, and exchange LAN routes between both routers. Okay, first let's configure router 1. Configuration terminal. Interface, this is G01 and it is G00, and this is G00. Okay, interface G00, IP address 192.168.1.1 and /24. Okay, no shutdown. Interface G01, which is a WAN link, IP address 10.0.12.0 means it 12.1. 12.1 /30 means 255, 255, 255, 252. Okay, no shutdown. So router 1 is configured with a LAN network and a WAN connection towards a router 2. Now go to router 2. Enable configuration terminal. Interface G00, 01, 00. Okay. Okay. IP address 10.0.12.2, 255, 255, 255, 252. No shutdown. Interface G01, IP address 192.168.2.1, 255, 255, 255.0. No shutdown. That's it. Router 2 is now ready for BGP configuration. Before configuring BGP, let's verify layer 3 connectivity. Okay. Exit. Ping 10.0.12.1. Yes, ping is successful from this site. Ping 10.0.12.2. Yes, pings are successful. Go to this PC, desktop IP configuration, 192.168.1.10 and 192.168.1.1 will be default gateway. Desktop IP configuration 192.168.2.10 192.168.2.1. Okay, so pings are successful. That means both router can communicate and BGP can be configured. Now let's enable BGP on the router 1. Configuration terminal, router BGP and AS number देना है 65001. Okay, BGP log this command, we create a BGP process. Okay, now BGP log neighbor changes, network 192.168.1.0, mask 255 255 255 255.0. तो यहाँ पे हमने नेटवर्क मीन्स यहाँ पे हमने लैन नेटवर्क को मेंशन किया है. ओके, नंबर 10.0.12.2 remote as 65002. So this command defines the BGP neighbor. Enter, exit. Now go to router 2, configuration terminal, router BGP 65002, then BGP log neighbor changes, network 192.168.2.0, mask 255 255.0, neighbor 10.0.12.1, remote as 65001. So as you can see, BGP adjacent neighbor 10.0.12.1 is up. So router 2 now form an eBGP neighbor relationship with router 1. And in the last step, we will verify BGP neighbor status. Now let's verify whether the BGP session is established. Show IP BGP summary. So as you can see here, BGP router identifier is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this is the router. Okay, 192.168.1.1 and its AS number is 65001. The neighbor is 10.0.12.2. Version is 4. AS number is 65002. State is 4. Now let's do ping 168.1.20. 192.168.1.1. Ping 192.168.2.10. Let's see ping hota hai nahi. Yes, as you can see, replies from 192.168.2.10 is received, which means the routing is working. Okay, so यहाँ पे BGP routing हो रही है. So now you can check the BGP routes also. Show IP BGP. This command displays all routes learned through BGP. So you can see 192.168.1.0. This is a LAN network. Okay, next hop address is 000, and the next is you can see 192.168.2.0, and next hop address is 10.0.12.2, and its AS number is also shown in here. So you can see next hop address, which means this. Okay, let me clear this. 10.0.12.1, 10.0.12.2. So this is the next hop address, and this then you can also verify the routing table. Show IP route BGP. So you can see here B refers to BGP protocol, and this is the route 192.168.2.0 slash 2010.0.12.2, which means this. तो यहाँ पे okay, this is 192.168.2.10, and this is in this lab, we configured eBGP between two routers, established neighbor relationship, advertised LAN networks, verified BGP routes, and tested connectivity. This is the basic foundation of how internet routers exchange routing information using BGP. Thank you for watching day 13. See you in the next lab.